Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter the 10th. 3 Endings. The first ending, Flippy's story. Soon, everyone was safely on the ground.
Hooray for Dogman!
Phooey! But then...
Flippy, you've been a naughty fish today.
I know.
Lulu and I are making a citizen's arrest.
Okay, but before I go, can I borrow this book for a while, little Petey?
You can keep it. I made it for you.
Really?
Yeah, I'll make more if you want.
Okay.
Let's be pen pals. We can make books for each other.
Okay. 2 weeks later. Yo, Flippy, you got another letter from that dumb kid. He's not dumb, he's my friend. Whatever, you don't scare me anymore, Flippy. You're weak and rusty now. Yeah, well, I may be weak, and I may be rusty, but I'm happy. The second ending, Petey's story. Meanwhile, back in the present. Alright, Petey, I'm taking you to jail. Why? What'd I do? You escaped on page 27, remember? Oh yeah. Well, kid, it looks like you'll be staying with Dogman for a while.
Okay.
But don't forget where you came from. And don't forget to be evil. You know what? On second thought, just be yourself, kid. You know, Chief, I've gotta change my ways. Yup. I mean, I've got a kid now. I know. I can't be going around being a jerk all the time. That's right. I've gotta be responsible. I agree. I've gotta be a role model. So true. I've gotta be good. Absolutely. And I'm gonna be good. Hooray! Will you help me be good, Chief? Sure I will. I know I can do it with your help, Chief. It's my pleasure. I'm very proud of you, Petey. Thanks, Chief. Let's look it out. Okay. Ah, yeah. That's the stuff. Well, see you later, Chief. Okay, bye. Petey! Ha-ha! The third ending, Little Petey's story.
Hey look, here's another flip-flop. It took forever, but we finally got all of the pieces. When we get home, I'm gonna rebuild them. I can make them better than he was. Faster, stronger, awesomer. Oh, it's bedtime. Good night, ADHD. We'll play together tomorrow. Have a happy dream.
And so... The end. Ain't you glad this story didn't have no unhappy endings? I sure am it.